Hey planners, it's Tay of Shantae Plans and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be sharing my kit lineup for the month of December. So let's go ahead and take a look at these gorgeous kits. Now, typically one of the things I try to do with my kit lineup is not necessarily be too strict in assigning things a specific week because things change, my mood may change, I might want to swap things around, but I have a feeling these might stay in place because I like the order that I have them in, and it's going to give me a chance to kind of alternate and play around and do some fun things with them because I actually have two different foil colors that I will be using this month. I will be alternating between rose gold and gold, which is fantastic because last month it was all rose gold. So at least I get a tiny bit of a break from rose gold this month. But of course, we're starting with a kit that is rose gold foiled. This is the Toasted Marshmallows kit from Two Little Bees, and I could not be more obsessed with this. This is a reformat of a kit that she released last winter, and I did not get a chance to plan with it last winter. So I'm very excited to be able to play around with this kit and to plan with it this year. I'm also super in love with her kit format. It is, I want to say, currently my favorite kit format, and there are just some incredible gems in here. I love these little fancy boxes here, all of the deco that she includes. It has such a great eye for detail, and you get so many elements that just really work for my planning style right now, from all of the different florals and things like that. This functional page is just so amazing. Wait, why do I feel like I'm missing a floral deco page? Oh no, oh no. Oh no, tragedy is struck. I am literally just realizing I clearly forgot to order a floral deco page, and I don't know how I let that happen. Oh wait, no, we have a smaller floral deco page here. I am concerned. I don't know what's going on. I usually have like the full large page of floral deco. This may end up still being plenty because I have the floral deco on this page, on this page, on this page, and here as well. Okay, I may just need to calm down, and this is going to be fine. But yeah, okay, whew, panic and crisis averted. I don't know what fashion doll I'm going to pair with this yet, but I'm very excited about that. Also, she's got some really cute dolls in here. I may end up going kind of a little bit of a different direction with like creating a scene with some of the deco that's already on this page, because I love the fireplace and I love the cute little fashion girls that she's got in this kit. So we'll see. This is going to be a lot of fun to play around with, and I want to do some fun and creative things with this. So that Toasted Marshmallows kit, it should be, I'm planning to use that for the week of the 29th through the 5th of December. For the week of the 6th to the 12th of December, I am planning to use the Joy kit from Panda Bird Design, and this is just so elegant and lovely. That's one of my favorite things about Panda Bird Design's kits. Every time I do a spread with one of her kit, it ends up just being so elegant, and I don't want to sound redundant, but I feel like that's just very much her style. It's her design style. It just comes across very, very feminine, pretty, lovely, dainty, girly, all of that good stuff. And so I'm really looking forward to using this kit. It's a very soft pastel wintry colors, and I think that's just going to be a lovely refreshing touch. This will also be the first time I've had a chance to use a gold foiled weekly kit in quite some time, so I know I'm going to have a great time planning with this and just pulling out some different colored foil accents and deco and icons, and that's going to be a ton of fun. Next, coming back to my rose gold foil, I have this gorgeous kit from Paper Muse Crafts, and I want to use this for the week of December 13th to the 19th. I feel like this one kind of walks the line of being a little bit Christmassy, but not blatantly a Christmas kit. I feel like it definitely gives me sort of holiday vibes, but it's not screaming, hey, Santa's coming to town. It's not in the traditional colors. And I love that about this, especially because I'm using this for the week right before Christmas. You're still in that very festive holiday mood set. And so I feel like this summed it up really nicely for me. I want that hot chocolate. It just looks delicious. And I just think this is all so beautiful and elegant. And so really looking forward to using this kit. I think this is going to be so much fun to plan with. It's been quite some time since I've planned with a Paper Muse Crafts kit. And the last time I planned with one of her kits, her format was completely different. So I'm really looking forward to giving this a try and seeing how I like planning with one of her kits. That's always a fun experience for me, trying out a new kit format or from a shop. It changes the way that I tend to approach my planning. And so this is going to be a lot of fun just to see how this goes. And I'm excited for that. And this is technically not the last week for the month of December. I do also have my New Year's kit. I'm going to go ahead and include that in my January monthly kit lineup, even though technically that kit is going to be for like starting from the 27th of December. I feel like I just want to wrap things up because this is going to be the last kit that I use in this planner, my 2021 planner. My New Year's kit I'm going to use to kick off my 2022 planner. So I'm going to go ahead and just share my New Year's kit when I share my kit lineup for January. So to finish up my kit lineup for December, we have the gorgeous Noel kit from Crafts by Towie. I was really excited about this kit for this year because the last 2 years I've used pink themed Christmas kits, and while this definitely has pink in it, it's much more traditional Christmas colored kit, which is a lot of fun. And I feel like it was definitely trending this year that I saw much more of the traditional Christmas colors rather than pink Christmas kits being really popular this year, which this I'm really excited for. So I love this kit. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. It's super classic. And even though it does, again, still have just that traditional red and green, I love that she did pull in some other colorways. So I don't know, when I put this down on the page, it may not end up feeling as red and green as I think it's going to, and I also really love that she went with this very kind of unique pastel version of green. It's not overly red, which is definitely a thing for me. I mean, there's some bold pops of red in here, but red's not my favorite color. Christmas is the time where I do make exceptions for it, and I am all for having it in my planner. I also like red paired with green much better than I like it paired with blue. Visually, that just works for me, which is when people usually which is when you all usually hear me complain about red anyways. It's usually for 4th of July. I'm not super keen on those primary colors blending together. They're just so bold. Speaking of bold, okay, so I have this kit and I have 1 page of floral deco here, which you're all thinking that is not nearly enough floral deco for Tay. That is not enough at all. Here is my plan, and this is going to look a little bit bold. So take a moment. I'm going to explain. Okay. So I have this deco sheet from the Sweet Planner, and yes, very bold, very red. However, let's isolate and take it away from the whole sticker sheet and just take a moment and appreciate that it's going to really pick up on all the beautiful pops of red and green that we have going in this kit, and it's going to complement beautifully. So it's all about sort of just dispersing the florals, but I was really excited about this. I love the florals that she included with the kit, and I think these are absolutely fantastic. But this has got some really cute frames and things like that. I tend to not use those quite as much. And then with the holly berries and vines, it's a little bit more viney and not really floral clustery. And that tends to be my personal preference when I'm planning. I really like having floral cluster style flowers to plan with and to pull into my deco. So I will definitely be using this because it's of course a perfect match to the kit. I don't want to incorporate that deco, but I'm going to combine it with the florals from this deco sheet. I also think it's going to just add a really fun touch and punch and pick up on all of the gorgeous reds and pinks and greens that are already happening in the kit. So I saw this and I thought that would be a great match and just give me more of what I needed to work with because I have this dashboard kit, and also really love the little individual ornaments on here. I think that's going to be a fun accent to play around with and really punch up the whole Christmas theme and even the little gift boxes. So I'm excited about having that additional deco to work with, even though we do have some stunning deco already in the kit that I'm definitely going to utilize as well. I'm really excited about that and looking forward to this. Also, again, of course, loving the fact that this is foiled in gold foil. Oh, my happiness. I never thought I'd be so excited over foil that wasn't rose gold. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you're having an amazing day, and I would love to know what kits you're planning to use for the month of December. So you can go ahead and leave that in the comments below, or if you like to share that on Instagram, please feel free to tag me so that I can check it out there. I hope you're all having a fantastic day, and I will see you next video. Bye.